Oh shit.
I don't know how that one got there.
I'm about to fuck something up. One day we're gonna get the right fucking size. It's gotta be this one. Alright. Oh wait, I gotta take this off. Now I think it's supposed to just come off without taking that off, because that shit's probably not coming off. Okay, okay. Okay, and it went right back. I said it's supposed to, oh my god. Ah, I see it, you fucker. Ah. Oh, that's why. Yeah, there's another screw right here. Yep. I'll do it every time. Look at the size of this fucker. That sure is fucking the right shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Get a shopping cart? Like an old one that's all busted up?
So you want an old one? Just one?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, you can have one. Just come to the courtesy booth and ask for Natalie.
Alright, appreciate it.
No problem. Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Drop off them barrels. And then I gotta go pick up the shopping cart. But I tried these new speakers.
Nice to talk you, baby, trying to make a play, don't wanna get on 70 bodies. We know them youngest took a world wild and got adjusted to the street shit. You know what it is, shit, if we beefing it, pull up a fix. You know what it is.
Oh, I'm about to lose my fucking mind. Came out a lot better in my head. Oh my god. Where you going, bitch? Oh. Well? Yo, dig it. Yeah, that's what we're working with. It's about time to send it. We need us in for this one. Oh shit, it worked! Oh wait, we're going against a lot of current. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh man. Oh man. After further observation, I shouldn't have launched it when the current was that strong. We lost the boat. Hey, but it did float. Oh, and I lost the shoe. I'm gonna have to come back for it in a kayak or something. Oh man, that wasn't very smart. Yo, so I lost the boat. Yeah, that was quick. With the amount of current, yeah, I lost the boat.
Yeah, you know, I almost kind of told you with all that rain, it's probably not a good idea to put it in.
Yeah, you know, I thought that too when I seen the fucking current, and I was like, I'll be able to paddle.
No, bitch, it ain't a kayak.
Well, at first it was.
So what you did, jumped out?
Yeah, I had to. I didn't have a choice. The bitch was gonna take me to Lafayette.
Well, let's see if he can beat a Easton.
That's the same thing I was thinking.
Well, he'll break the surface. You ain't had enough yet, motherfucker.
He wants more, Jack. He wants more. He wants more. Oh, you got his ass on that
Oh
one.
yeah, that'd have fucked him. Yo, his head a little bent. Yeah, I had to take it out.
Oh, you got him.
That might be a bull shark.
That dude beat the fuck up. Say, keep. God damn, that boy beat up.
The very tip of it.
Oh, I'm seeing right here, right here. Ah, it sounds like we need to pop him.
It's about 100 fuck you degrees out here today. Breeze, that finger's never gonna dry off. Snapper is snapping. Sharks are sharking. Captain Steve done hooked up to something here. We're about to find out, see if we gotta lick him down or toss him in. But yeah, it's been a hell of a day so far. Weather's perfect. Smells like straight sweat and blood in this bitch. Hey, you had a snapper.
Oh, that ain't worth a fuck.
Nice one too. That would have been the biggest one too, probably.
Faster than me at this shit, but
Yeah, as soon as I finish this, I'm jumping in the water. I'm jumping back in.
So you telling me before I get in the water, you're gonna be out?
Probably.
Oh, you faggot. All right.
To
Follow
fucking
the
up the
fishes.
fish. Yep.
Oh yeah, dude.
You do right, bro.
Not the rag.
Man, that's a power, dude.